welcome back to my channel Dimple the Dreamer. Today in this episode we're going to talk about my March favorites and let's go. We're gonna start with this book. I am not kidding you. If you ask me, I am not someone who likes to read books. It's just not me, okay? But I don't know how on a random Tuesday out of boredom I decided to order this book from Amazon, and it arrives and I just start reading it and I'm so hooked to it that I finished this book within 3 to 4 days. What? And later on I ordered even more books. I ordered rom-com books, I ordered money-based books, self-improvement books, so many books. But then later on I realized that this is my genre. I like reading thriller, suspense, all of these books instead of rom-com and other genres. Okay, so currently I'm reading Never Lie, and trust me, I'm on chapter 5. Can't wait to finish this. So my March favorite is this, The Housemaid book. Love it. Next would be this cute wallet. I love it. It's from Miniso. They had black, beige and maroon color, but I ordered this one and I love it so much because it's spacious. Okay, it's very spacious. You can keep all the cards here and then you have space to keep your money in here. I don't have any. Oh, I have. Okay, I have money. And then I also have a zip. Oh wait. Okay, I also have a zip where I can keep my coins, cards or any extra cash if I want to, and it's lovely. I can carry it anywhere and still it's very spacious. So this is also one of my March favorites. Then we have these beautiful golden heels. I know I love them so much. They are so good. मुझे नहीं लगता ये अभी तक किसी के पास आया होगा. मैं वेस्ट साइड गई थी मम्मा मोना के साथ शॉपिंग के लिए और अचानक से मोना ने ये देखा एंड शी वाज लाइक बाय दीज. मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ पे है ये, क्या है, इफ दे हैव दिस और नॉट, बिकॉज ये सिर्फ एक ही पैर पड़ा हुआ था वहाँ पे. एंड आई आस्क्ड देम इफ दे हैव माई साइज, सो कैन यू प्लीज चेक. और वो था उनके स्टोरेज रूम में. उन्होंने अभी तक वो स्टॉक बाहर निकाला नहीं था एंड आई थिंक आई एम द ओनली person who has this and I love them. I mean, bhai saab, this has to be my March favorite and you will see me wearing them on everything. Next we have this product from Plum. It's a body mist called Hazelnut Eclair. स्टार्टिंग में मुझे ये बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद था, मुझे बहुत गंदा लग रहा था, बट the time period of returning your product was gone, so I was like, I'll just give it to somebody else, my sister or my friends, or I'll just keep it there as a showpiece and I will not use it. But then I used it and I got so many compliments. और क्योंकि बाकियों ने मेरी इतनी तारीफ की है, I smell so good, so tasty, wow, now I use this every day. Yes. And I was expecting it to smell like hazelnut, but instead of smelling like hazelnut, ये मिल्क बिकीज की बिस्किट की तरह स्मेल करता है. अगर तुम्हें मिल्क बिकीज क्रीम बिस्किट नहीं पता तो आई डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन दिस, बट ये सेम उस बिस्किट की तरह स्मेल करता है एंड आई लव इट. हाँ, इट्स गुड. Okay, I got Gwench products as a PR and I used these 3 products: sunscreen, pimple patch and the cleansing balm. And trust me, this has to be my favorite because the sunscreen is amazing. The texture of the sunscreen is, this blends so easily, smoothly. It is very creamy and this does not have fragrance. तो पैराबेन फ्री है, सल्फेट फ्री है, अल्कोहल फ्री है. आई एम नॉट प्रमोटिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट, ओके, दिस इज एक्चुअली गुड. ओके, आई एम गोना शो यू. वेट. This is good. Okay, see that? Do you see that? It's amazing. इसका टेक्सचर इतना अच्छा है कि इजीली ब्लेंड हो जाएगा, इतना स्मूथ है, इतना क्रीमी एकदम. आई लव दैट. डू यू सी दैट? Oh bhai, I just love it. I love this. Next we have this cleansing balm of the same brand. ये करीना कपूर का ब्रांड है जो कि बहुत अच्छा है. See that? Wow. I can easily remove my makeup. Then comes the pimple patch. मुझे यहाँ पे पिंपल था बट अब नहीं है, थैंक्स टू दिस. Instead of products, snacks and books and shows, I also have adapted few habits which has become my favorite and I'm never gonna stop doing it. So yep, okay, the moment I wake up, I drink water from a copper glass. I never used to do this, but now I do, and trust me, it's the best thing I decided to do. I haven't seen any changes in my body. बिना कुछ किए सिर्फ पानी पीने से कुछ changes तो वैसे भी नहीं दिखने वाले मुझे. But still, it feels good. वैसे भी मैं बहुत कम पानी पीती हूँ, अब मैं पानी पीने लगी हूँ. तो yep, I like doing that. And the second thing I started doing is I clean my bed. The moment I wake up, I clean my bed. ये मैं पहले नहीं करती थी और उस वजह से मुझे जो सुस्ती चढ़ती थी, बहुत गंदी सुस्ती चढ़ती थी मुझे. But अब वैसा नहीं है. I just wake up, I clean my bed, I drink that glass of water. My favorite snack of this month would be, it's not even a snack, but I have them during my snack time. In my snack time. कौन सा correct है? During my snack time, in my snack time. जो भी करेक्ट होगा प्लीज करेक्ट मी, आई एम सो सॉरी. ठीक है, दैट इज कोकोनट वाटर एंड ग्रीन टी. एक साथ नहीं पीती हूँ मैं, ऑल्टरनेट डेज. कोकोनट वाटर एंड देन वेडनेसडे आई ड्रिंक. सॉरी, कोई आ गया था. तो हाँ, मैं यही कह रही थी कि मैं एक साथ नहीं पीती हूँ, मैं ऑल्टरनेट डेज पीती हूँ. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल वाओ, ठीक है. For example, Monday I drink green tea, on Tuesday I go for coconut water, then on Wednesday I drink green tea, फिर alternate days ऐसे. तो ये दो चीज़ें मुझे बहुत पसंद है and yep, I love drinking green tea and coconut water. Thanks to my sister because she was telling me to watch Gilmore Girls, and once I got convinced, I started watching Gilmore Girls. और फिर मुझसे रुका ही नहीं गया. तो within a week I completed season 1 of Gilmore Girls and I'm on season 2, 7th episode. It's the best thing. It's the best show after Friends that I'm watching. Highly recommend you guys to watch Gilmore Girls क्योंकि उसमें सब कुछ है. You'll get mother-daughter relationship, family drama, love life, friendship, everything is there. And with that, we are done here. These were all my March favorites. I hope you liked it, and yep, I don't have anything to say. See you in the next one. Bye.